Today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of spray applied roofing.
Hi, my name is Ron Perdue. I'm a sales representative at West Roofing Systems.
My name is Calab Wagner. I've been at West Roofing for 8 seasons. I've been a foreman for 4.
Hi, my name is Robert Bosley. I'm the safety director at West Roofing Systems.
It doesn't take a lot of men to install it, and it doesn't interrupt operations of a building.
Where it might take a conventional roofer 30 minutes to flash around a curb, we can foam around it in about 2 minutes. Spray roofs are very energy efficient. The R value is almost 7 per inch. Generally, we put 1.5 inches down on most commonly, which gives the R value of 11. That is the most of any roof system out there that's actually sprayed.
Spray foam roofs are quite easy to take care of. Obviously, as a building owner, you always want to be up and up on your roof, and a lot of building owners don't worry about their roofs until it's too late. So obviously, you know, your drains, things like that, where leaves will pond up and you know, low spots, it's easy to clean those out.
Another benefit of the spray polyurethane foam is it's a seamless surface.
By us eliminating the seams, that eliminates a lot of problems. You know, you obviously won't get the seams peeling apart after age.
So basically, after your warranty is expired, you can come in and clean the roof off, add additional coatings to that roof system, and extend your warranty out.
We can go in and find the bad spots of foam and tear out the bad spots of foam, which lowers the cost for the customer because it gives us the ability to not tear off the whole roof.
The first recoat I was on was in 1987. It was at the Cleveland Convention Center, and that roof was shot in my mind. And all we had to do was power wash that roof off, clean the areas up that had exposed foam on it, and recoat it, and it gave it a whole new system. If a bad contractor is trying to do spray foam roofing, it's never a good idea. You want to go with somebody that's been at it a long time. The equipment, you want your balances to be in, you want everything to be spraying right on.
Some of the things that you would look for from a contractor would be is that they're qualified through the SPFA, that they've been through the training that's offered through them and have the credentials. And then also along with the manufacturer's products, that they are also qualified to put that product on through that manufacturer to offer their warranty.
Weather-wise, and this is why we go south in the winter time, is we're kind of limited to, we want to put polyurethane foam down. We want to see at least 45 degrees and sunny, or 50 degrees at least, to spray a polyurethane foam roof.
It's very hard to spray foam when it's cold. It's very temperamental, and you know, you don't want to be putting down a bad product, and foam obviously likes the heat.
Here at West, one of our key things when we do a pre-construction meeting is we identify areas of potential overspray. When our guys show up, we'll make sure that we have an assigned ground man that is there to cover cars all day long and to assist in making sure we don't damage any of the customer's employees' vehicles.
If we take care and use windscreens, use spray booths, use car covers to protect your cars, overspray is non-existent. Polyurethane foam can sustain damage. You need to train your maintenance people, your HVAC guys up there on the roof. Polyurethane foam, the compressants on are an average of 40 pounds per inch. So it's not like you're going to damage it by just walking on it or anything like that. It's actually going to take a heavy tool falling on it to puncture it. In order to repair polyurethane foam roofs, you still have to know what kind of material was used in the project.
That's a big part, you know, because a lot of these roofs that we go on and we look them over, it's hard to find these cracks. It's hard to find, you know, where the wet foam is, because you know, the foam it's seamless. So us not having seams makes it a little more difficult to find where the water's coming in at.
Thanks for watching our video today. If you'd like to learn more about the pros and cons of a spray foam roof, check out our website. And if you'd like to see spray foam in action, check out the video SPF Start to Finish.